Hisense window air conditioner. Installation. Please read and follow the instructions in the owner's manual before you attempt to install, operate, maintain, or troubleshoot your window air conditioner. Caution: the window air conditioner is heavy. Have someone assist you with your home appliance to help prevent personal injury or product damage. The Hisense UltraSlim window air conditioner features a minimalist design for effortless installation and powerful cooling, so you can enjoy cool comfort in minutes. Measure the install location before placing the UltraSlim window air conditioner to ensure a proper fit. Unbox the UltraSlim window air conditioner and remove all packaging materials. Inside the box, you will find the following components. Remove additional packaging materials. Near the bottom of the unit, an indicator marked "Handle" is on each side. Grip here to safely remove the air conditioner from the foam base and place it on a flat surface. Take a moment to see what tools are needed for installation. Choose the short or long extension arm based on your window width. Slide to extend the pre-installed extension arm, then attach the long or short extension arm to the opposite side. Place the bracket on the windowsill, making sure it's centered. Adjust the supporting legs so they extend outside the window and firmly press against the exterior wall. Check the letter indicators to ensure both sides are aligned. Make sure both legs are positioned evenly. The extension arms should be inside of the window frame. Slide both extension arms to the side of the window frame. Adjust the angle so the bracket is leveled slightly tilted downward. Secure the supporting legs by tightening the included bolts. Install the back plate on the bracket at least 13 inches from the inside edge to prevent accidental pushover. Secure the bracket to the window sill using 2 half-inch screws. Hold the air conditioner firmly and carefully place it into the window opening, ensuring the bottom frame rests on the support bracket and remains centered. Gently push the unit outward and align its top groove with the window sash. Insert the AC lock into both sides of the unit and secure it with half-inch screws. Insert the side curtain into the unit from top to bottom on both sides. These parts are interchangeable. Attach the ones that best fit your window width. Then repeat for the right side. Extend the side curtains until they fully cover the window frame. Measure the inner width of the side curtain. Then cut the EVA foam using scissors or kitchen knife. Insert the EVA foam into the side curtains. Use the spare curtain if the gap between the air conditioner and the window side is less than 3.5 inches. Measure and cut the foam seal according to the window width and attach it to the bottom of the window sash. Then close the window. Insert the foam insulation between the window frame to help reduce air gaps. For additional security, you can attach an optional window sash lock to the top of the window frame. You are now ready to use your new Hisense UltraSlim window air conditioner.